What's up, everybody? This is H2Hubb with H2Hubb, and we're here to do a demonstration video for the Q-Life Q-Cup mats. This portable hydrogen water generator has passed all of our performance standards and tests. And as stated in the unboxing video, this bottle's performance has been great. It is actually the highest performing hydrogen water bottle we've ever tested thus far. And publicly recommended. And so in this video, we're going to demonstrate how to set it up and use it. It is literally one of the easiest portables that are on the market. So let's go ahead and do it. All right. So when you actually receive your portable, probably the first thing you would really want to do is charge it up. And so I'm actually not going to demonstrate how you would charge. It's pretty simple. But this part, the USB Type-C port, connection goes to the back, and this will go to your AC adapter, and then you charge it. When it's charging, it will glow red, and when it's fully charged, it will just glow green. So first thing we're going to do is go ahead and take off the cap for the cell. And this keeps your membrane moist, and there's some water in there right now. So this helps to make sure that the membrane stays moist and it's got good hydrogen performance. Next thing you'll do is take your bottle and screw it on. And you want to screw it on pretty good, but not too tight. All right. And then after that, you want to take off your cap. This cap is a specialized cap that is manufactured to withstand high pressure. And so it does have a pressure release valve here. And the next thing you want to do is just fill up with some water. So I'll grab some distilled water here, and we'll fill it up. Now, it is recommended to fill to the top of the bottle, but right up to this line right here, where the cap connects to the bottle itself. That is where it is recommended to fill, and it seems to work best there at producing high levels of H2. We'll put the bottle at the top. We'll put the cap back on the bottle. And then what you'll do is hold this activation button down for 3 seconds. Once you do that, it's going to activate the bottle, and it's going to start the process of electrolysis and producing hydrogen gas. And it's going to run for 5 minutes. And so I'll go ahead and demonstrate that. So you just hold this button down 3 seconds, and now it's producing H2. Now, like I said, it's going to run for 5 minutes, and it's going to produce a really good concentration within that 5 minutes. And you actually can do this for a consecutive 5 minutes if you want to produce concentrations as high as 3.5 to about 4, or even above, slightly above 4 ppm of hydrogen dissolved into this designated volume size. So this is the demonstration video. Other than that, to turn it off, you just hold the button down for a couple of seconds and it goes off. So it's super easy bottle, and it is really proficient at producing and dissolving hydrogen at high levels. In the next video, we're actually going to do a test of the H2 concentration, and we're going to demonstrate what we actually tested this system at our location. All right, we'll catch you next time at the H2Hubb.